Hi, everyone. We're going to begin reviewing these slides, but I just want to let you know that we are not going to be constructing the angle bisector ourselves. We're just going to follow along and make conjectures, okay? So, in previous mathematics courses, you have used inductive reasoning to complete patterns like the Fibonacci sequence from the overview. But what does inductive reasoning look like in geometry? To find out, we're going to play the animation and follow along as they construct an angle bisector with patty paper. An angle bisector is defined as a line, ray, or segment that divides the angle into two angles with equal measures. In other words, an angle bisector divides the angle into two congruent angles. So the first thing that they did is they drew an angle on the patty paper and they marked and labeled point A at the angle's vertex. The second step is that they folded the patty paper so that one side of the angle is directly on top of the other. The fold line needs to go directly through that point A that's at the vertex. So you see that the one line is lying directly on top of the other one. Now they drew the line and they marked the second point X at the end of the bisector. So now this is a ray, and this ray, AX, is what bisects angle A. Remember from the language of geometry, the first lesson, you can also use numbers when you're naming an angle. You'll see that they labeled these angles angle 1 and angle 2. And a protractor could be used to verify that these angles have the same measure.